Track 13. Fiona and Mike are talking about their family dinner tonight. Listen carefully and answer question 1. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now.
Where do you want to go for dinner, Fiona?
I want to go to yummy Japanese restaurant. Its sashimi is very fresh.
That restaurant is good. I like its tempura. It's very crispy. But I don't like its green tea ice cream. It's not sweet at all.
Track 14. Listen to the second half of the conversation. Listen carefully and answer question 2. You have 10 seconds to study the question. Listen carefully. The conversation will begin now. Oh, but it's Saturday. We need to wait for a long time for a table.
How long do we need to wait?
I think we need to wait for about 45 minutes.
It's fine. We're not in a hurry. Mum and Dad won't mind.